Hi, this is Ron from ron@dj.com. So here we are from another for another video. And ito, um, pinadalan tayo ng Huawei sa wakas ng I think, believe it or not, our first Huawei unboxing of a smartphone for this year. Medyo nag-slow down ng konti si Huawei but definitely they're not stopping on producing to us quality smartphones like eto kung paparating na Huawei Nova 8, which lalabas siya within I think di ba lalabas, I think i-announce siya within this week, which gonna tell you more about it after at the end of this video. So ito yung Huawei Nova 8, which ito yung uh, ito yung isa sa mga, I think isa lang or isa o sa dalawa, or this is their first Huawei Nova Huawei smartphone na nilabas sa Pilipinas na may Harmony OS. Tapos may kumpara ito dun sa Chinese version, nakuha natin syempre yung global version, which yung may powered by Kirin 820E processor. And ito yung ating pinakamabilis na may charger na nakuha natin, ma-review natin soon, which meron siyang 66 watts na Huawei Super Charge technology. So ito yung itsura ng box. Tapos yan. So that's it. Papakita muna natin yung ibang laman ng box after this cut. So ito, yung pinadala sa atin ng Huawei actually was sort of malapit na sa commercial, official commercial product na makikita nyo sa mga tindahan, kasi walang manual, pero at least meron tayong box. So ito yung USB, or sorry, SIM eject tool. Tapos ito yung clear case na malambot. Tapos itong regular USB to Type-C. Tapos kakaiba, tanda ko yung sa 40 watt na Huawei Supercharged kulay violet. Ito kakaiba, medyo parang ano malapit sa orange. Malapit sa orange na yung shade nung USB on this one. Then ito na yung pinagmamalaki ng Huawei na 66 watts na Huawei Supercharge. Nung binasa natin sana ma-focus natin na maayos. Yan. Meron siyang 5 volts, 2 amperes, and supported din yung 40 watts charge, yung mga old school na Huawei Supercharge na 40 watts like sa Huawei Nova 7 5G. And yun yung 66 watts na supported nitong Huawei Nova 8, which consists siya ng 11 watts, 6 amperes. For yun, times mo, that will go to 66 watts. At ito na yung itsura nung binut na natin for the first time yung Huawei Nova 8. Actually, ito yung first time na makakahawak tayo ng Harmony OS. Since nakita ko rin recently yung Harmony OS, pero sa Huawei Weird S na i-upload ko soon for another video, since hindi tayo nagkaroon ng chance na makakita ng review nito on this one. So ito yung nakakabilib sa Nova. Ito yung first time na curve yung screen. Yeah, tapos ang nipis kung focus na natin na maayos. Yan, no? Curve yung screen nitong Nova 8, which that is taken ito yung first time, kasi yung Nova 7 5G hindi siya curve. So meron siyang 6.6 OLED display na may 1 billion colors, yung pinagmamalaki nila. So ito, sinet-up ko na rin muna yung fingerprint reader. This one's yung always on display. Tapos ang nakuha nating variant is yung bluish gray yata yung mali. Let me check. This is bluish gold pala. Sorry. So parang gold, yan nga, nag-iiba-iba yung kulay depende sa kung anong angle ng camera. Nakita nyo, pati nag-iiba yung background sa camera pag ginagawa. So nandito quad main camera siya, composed of 64 megapixel na primary sensor that can shoot 4K. Tapos may Nova branding with the Huawei on this one. Tapos sa top portion, nandito yung dalawang nano SIM slots, those who will wonder 4G tong handset na to. Tapos may noise cancelling mic. Wala siyang micro SD or yung Huawei nano memory slot. So you can save those files and apps sa 128 gig na internal storage along, and meron siyang 8 gigabytes RAM for the soon to be Philippine release. Tapos sa bottom na ito is yung USB type C port, tapos speaker and pinhole microphone. Do sa package natin, kaya nga sabi ko na mo hindi siya yung commercial release kasi wala tayong nakitang USB type C to 3.5 audio jack adapter. So for I guess siguro meron talaga yon sa official commercial release na nung box na ito. And sa nipis na ito, buti na lang na pull out pa nila yung volume rocker and power unlock button, which you can also pag may specific ka na pindot, parang press and hold, depende kung anong pwede mong gustong i-adjust na command, doon lalabas yung si Celia, which yung their own Huawei assistant. So teaser pa lang naman to, or for another video na lang yung introduction natin do sa Harmony OS. So that's it. At sakto kasi we unbox on this one. Magkakaroon ng consumer launch online ang Huawei this Friday. That is October, that is August 13, 2021. So ito rin nga pala yung bago makalimutan ko, 32 megapixel front camera. Magkakaroon ng official online consumer launch ang Huawei Nova 8 and also the 8i. Magkaiba yung camera setup nun. Yung 8i na dito sa gitna. Ito naman guys, 8. And abangan nyo siya this August 13 ang launch nito alongside with Huawei Nova 8i sa Facebook page ng Huawei Mobile Philippines, or just search Huawei Philippines. So that's it. Patingin pa naman to, and babagsak natin yung review nito soon alongside with the camera samples, and also another separate video which tutor natin guys sa Harmony OS on this one. Please like and subscribe on this channel, and also please follow and like Ron and the DJ on the social media accounts na nakalagay sa description below. So that's it. This is Ron from Ron and the DJ. Thank you very much for watching.